Hello, Tiffany here with Crafty Creations. So here we are, we got our January Crafty Crew Kit package. So let's go ahead and get it unboxed and see what we got for this month. Very well packaged, just for me. My Seegers getting into a bag of wrapping paper. Okay, what do we got here? Nice little bag with all the goodies. This is their annual virtual retreat for July 23 through 26th of next year. So you'll have to go online, check that out. Maybe I'll put this up here and you can scan the code if you want to check out going to that retreat. So that should be a lot of fun. Alright, so we got the bag, little mesh bag that has all of the goodies in it for this month's Crafty Kit. So let's open it up and see what we got. I think I'm gonna like it already. Alright. Oh wow, look at these little buttons. This must be for the subscribers, I would think. This is the little bonus gift if you're a bi-monthly subscriber to these kits, where you're guaranteed to kind of get one because you're on the plan. And so you get a little extra bonus feature. And so it looks like we get little tiny flower buttons, so that's really cute. Thank you card for the kit, and then here is our stamp set. So we got Stitched with Love Meadow, so it is craft themed. So it's got a sewing machine, and Meadow has a stitched bear, like a quilted bear, some buttons, a little bag, a little bundle of fabric. It says, "Thanks a stitch. Hope your day is stitched with joy and sprinkled with cake." Yeah, that's fun. So that'll be fun to work with. I like to sew, and so that'll be really fun. The second set is Stitched Whiskers. Now I love cats, as you can see. Seegers here visiting us. But I've had a few cats in my days, and my mom, we've had all of the cats growing up, all the stray cats and her cats, and so I'm well into cats. But it's cute. It's like got a little, oh, it's like a quilt. It's like a little cat holding quilted squares, I think is what that is. Which, then can you put these buttons on there? Maybe. Pin cushion. This looks like scissors in a little pouch, so that's cute. This cat with rolls of fabric, and this cat with scissors, and then our sentiment is, "You're one piece I couldn't quilt without. Our friendship is tighter than my quilting corners." Oh, my quilting corners are not. They need some help. Let's see. "You're the best patch in my quilt of friends." Cute. "You keep me stitched together even when life unravels." Those are really cute sentiments. So that's going to be very, very fun to color and create with. I have done quilting in my crafting days. My friend and I did a quilt collab, and I quilted 3 squares, and they were witches' hats, and then she quilted 3 squares, and then we swapped squares, and so we have kind of a collab table runner together. So that was always very fun. Okay, stencil set is quilted. That's really pretty. That's gonna be really fun. It's a good background, even not just for quilted, or I like it. Okay, and our paper. our paper set. So you get a little pouch to put your paper in. The paper is, I'll have to figure out what, oh, Lovely as a Rose. So this is going to be really pretty paper. What I like about this paper is you get 4 sheets. They are double-sided, so you don't have to sacrifice anything. So you can have 2 of the back side and 2 of the front side if you want. So there's the back and the front of that one. The back and the front. Some pretty colors here. Oh, but these butterflies are pretty. And another blue. That's a really pretty pack. I like the colors for this. Very soft and pastel colors, and I think it's going to be really fun for our January season to create with this. And I mean, what better time to craft than January when it's, you know, where we live, it's snowing and cold. The best thing to be inside crafting away. Anyways, I hope you like these products, and we're gonna go ahead and get creating onto something with these things.